Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. So for today's video, I am going to review again and try on another catsuit from my sponsor. So you know who you are. Thank you so much. Without you, I can't make this video complete. So thank you so much for your gift. And now let's continue. I would like to show it to you and have a review, and let's try on how does it feel. Okay, so let's have a look and let's go and have a try on. To everyone who support my channel, thank you so much everyone, and let's go. So there you go. I've got this from my sponsor, and now I would like to show you. And of course, let's have a look at it inside. There you go. A dark red catsuit. So here you are. I don't know how does it fit me, but let's go and have a look if this fits me good or not. Okay, so let's go. I can't move too much. Okay. But this is so beautiful. As you can see that. It is my size. If I will wear it smaller, it will be broken because you cannot. The problem of the catsuit, if it's really very tight and not stretchable, it will get broke on the butt or on the hips, and that is the problem. That's why many times it's better when you want to wear a catsuit. It must be it must be customized, personally fit on your body, so you don't break it accidentally. Just like me, I break a lot of catsuit. Like, it got broken because when I bend and it's 2 feet, and then that's what happened. So there you go. This is the catsuit from my sponsor. And as you can see, there's a little bit left space here because that's what I said. If it's too much fit, then when I bend, I will break it. So let's go and partner this with the of course with the boots that I already had. Here you go. Let me wear this with this one, and let's see. Oh, it's a little bit hard to close it because these boots are really tight. Very tight. That's the problem with these boots they have. And also the right one is the heaviest. So that's all. How can I? Everything is so noisy. Everything is so noisy and hot because it's hot inside. So there you go. As you can see, this is how it look like. And of course we can close this like that. So it look. It look like latex, right? Does it look like a latex? So here you are. That's how it looks like. And proceed to the so there you go. So how did I look? I love this outfit, really. I really do. It's so beautiful, comfortable inside, and no allergy, no itchiness. Just for me, I don't know for the other people. So this is how it looks, and I really love this. I really like the color, the texture, and as you can see, you go. This looks like a latex, but it's a vinyl. So this is the first time that I wear this, and I'm sure that most of you will ask again about latex. But I don't wear latex. I can wear vinyl, but not latex. So. Maybe it will be really cool. Maybe it will be looks cool, right? That. So I didn't wear jacket right away because I would like to show you how does it fits me. Here you go, and I really love it, and I love the combination of this outfit, and I think I just love the color. I love how comfortable it is, and thank you so much to my sponsor. You know who you are. And here we go. You just put it on the shoulder, and that's all. So this is it. That's all. Everything is sticky. You hear that? Everything is sticky. So how does it look? So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I hope you like this video for today. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone for being with me in this journey, and I really appreciate that. To all my sponsors, thank you so much everyone. And I see you all for my next video.